Today's ulam is sweet soy sauce brown sugar wings, and these are the ingredients. To make it healthier, we use Sagay Nutri Brown Cane Sugar. It tastes the same as regular brown sugar but is a healthier alternative kasi low GI siya. This recipe is very easy to do in a bowl. Pagsamasamahin lang na rin ng 10 pieces chicken wings, salt, pepper, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon paprika, chili flakes, minced garlic, at 3 tablespoon ng Sagay Nutri Brown Cane Sugar. Mix it well and marinate in the fridge for 1 hour or more. After 1 hour, pwede na natin siyang i-fry in heated oil until cooked, mga 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And then garnish with chopped parsley before serving. O dibang dali lang gawin, sigurado ko magugustuhan to ng buong family nyo. Syempre for taste test, si Twinkle ang unang tumikim kasi siya ang pinakamahilig sa chicken wings, and Twinkle approved siya!